Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to switch between entities. A list of entities is created for when there are companies that can either be a bureau or for when a company has more than one practice number registered. For example, if a company has a general practitioner practice as well as a dental practice. The list of entities will assist a user to switch between entities quickly. This will assist a user that has access to more than one entity. For each practice number, a new entity will need to be created except when a group practice number exists. From the main diary screen, click on the Entities tab in the navigation bar. From the drop-down, click on the correct entity that the user would like to work on. After you have selected the correct entity, the system will change to the selected entity as well as to the specific entity settings for that specific entity.